make a quick video of how to make your own hand sanitizer. The other day I went to the store and I couldn't find any. I know there's a pretty big shortage, so I just wanted to show you how to make your own at home. Don't know how long this shortage is gonna last, and it's pretty easy to make your own. So let's get to it. What you're gonna need here is basically isopropyl alcohol. So I'm gonna use 70% of that in the content of my recipe. The next thing you need is vegetable glycerin. I'm gonna use 3% of that, and that's for moisturization. And I'm going to use 27% of aloe vera gel, and that you can pick at your local grocery store. I have a scale that I use for everything, so it makes it much easier. I'm making a quantity of 4 ounces, so that's going to be a 2.8 ounce of alcohol. .79. It's perfect. I have 2.79, but I'm not going to worry so much about the 0.01%. The next thing we need is aloe vera gel, and you're going to need 1.08% of that for a 4 ounce or 27%. Depending on the type of scale you have, the measurement will be super accurate or approximately by half percent. My scale is fairly accurate, but 1.08 is going to be hard to reach. So if I have 1 ounce, that should be good enough for me. And the next thing you need is the glycerin. I'm going to need 0.12 ounces of that. I think I went a little bit over. I have 0.18 ounces. And finally, this is completely optional to add fragrance to it or not. It is up to you. I would like to go ahead and add some rosemary, and I'm only going to add like 3 drops in mine. Okay. Now mix it all. If you're going to use a spoon, I recommend you use one that's already sanitized. You can spray alcohol on it to sanitize all your utensil. And this is what I get. It's much I guess thinner than your store-bought brand, but I'm going to use a spray bottle for mine, so it should be perfectly fine. We'll try it now. Let's see how it works. Smells much better than the one that I typically buy from the store. That's it.